How to remove Facebook login or how to remove account that you are logged in on Facebook from your device. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipan Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove your logged in account from Facebook on your device. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. First and foremost, you want to open Facebook where you'll be logged into your account, right? Now in my case, it's just currently opening Facebook. I'll just log into one of my accounts real quick. Now what you want to do is you want to log into your account first. Now it's logged me out again, but I'll just log in real quick here. Now first and foremost, you want to log out. In order to log out, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then scroll all the way down below, and at the bottom you'll get the logout option. Simply tap on logout and log out. Now once you log out, you should get an interface like this right on Facebook. Now in order to remove your account login here, what you want to do is you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, and you can see two different profiles here that I have saved. Now tap on the profile or login profile that you wish to remove. I'll just tap on my one here, and you can see here remove profile option. Simply tap on remove profile and again tap on remove, and it will be removed. So this way you can remove Facebook logged in account from Facebook on your device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.